Want to speak a new language confidently in 2026 without the terrifying anxiety of making mistakes? Today, we are looking at Busuu, a massive language learning platform trusted by over 120 million learners worldwide. If you want to transition from just reading vocabulary to actually speaking in real-world scenarios, Busuu has some incredibly smart features designed to get you talking. Let's dive into how it works and how you can use it to practice speaking. First, let's talk about how Busuu approaches speaking. Unlike apps that only make you type on a screen, Busuu focuses heavily on immersive speaking practice. When you log in, you get access to bite-sized, expert-crafted lessons. But the real magic happens with their interactive features. You get personalized pronunciation feedback and get to watch immersive videos featuring native speakers. This helps you train your ear to hear how words are actually spoken in daily life, not just in a sterile classroom environment. Another standout feature is Busuu's Google community. You aren't just practicing with a computer. You can actually connect with native speakers in the community to exchange local language tips and get genuine feedback on your pronunciation. Now, let's be completely transparent. While Busuu offers a highly rated setup, we don't have a database of independent user reviews for their latest updates in our research today. Because of that, we highly recommend starting with their free tier. This lets you test out the speech recognition, check how smoothly the native speaker videos run on your phone or computer, and see if the community feedback style works for your learning pace before you commit to any of their premium plans. To get started, simply head over to busuu.com, select the language you want to learn, and set up your free account. Take just 10 minutes a day to go through their speaking prompts, and don't be afraid to submit your voice recordings to the community. Have you tried practicing your speaking on Busuu yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this quick walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward tech and language learning tutorials in 2026. See you in the next video.